Hello friends, welcome in the online teaching of biology. I am Dattatreya Raut. I have to deliver a new aspect regards to the deviation from the Mendelian findings. The best example after completion the incomplete dominance, and then the second example is the codominance. What is a codominance? A codominance is a type of the non-Mendelian inheritance of a trait that finds a trait expressed by alleles to equal in the phenotype. There is neither complete dominance or incomplete dominance of one trait over the other for that given characteristics. Codominance is the best example in the cow colors of the cattle. So in the codominance would show the both alleles equally instead of a blending of the traits as is seen in the incomplete dominance. So in the codominance there is the expression of the genes which is the equally. So such alleles which are the express itself in F1 generation, so there is the present together in F1 hybrids called as the codominant alleles. This is an codominance, both expression the genes in F1 hybrid in hybrids even present of the another alleles. So, best example is the coat color in cattle. In the coat color in the cattle, there are the two type of the coat color of the cattle are the present, that is known as the red skin with a red color hair, and other with a white coat with a white hair. White coat color with a white hair and skin color with a red color with a hair. So in the codominance you have to simply say that in codominance both genes of allelomorphic pair express themselves equally in F1 hybrid. Not a one gene is a complete dominant over the other. Take examples of the in the codominance when red color cattle with a red hair is crossed with the white colored cattle with a white hairs. In F1 hybrids, roan color is the appear. That is, roan color is a mixture of the red and white color of the skin of the cattle. So in this cross, the roan colored have the mixture of the red and white colors hairs which develop the side by side in this heterozygous F1 hybrids. So in the parental generation you have to take the phenotypic red and white, like the external appearance of an organism, and their genotypes is the red color of the coat of the hair skin is the controlled by the capital R, and white color of the skin of this coat color is the controlled by the gene that is known as the capital W. At the time of the gamete formation, the gamete gets separated. So in the gamete gets separated, and then after the gametes are in F1 generation, in F1 hybrids are obtained, that is the capital R, capital W. So in the roan colored is the appear. The roan colored is a mixture of the red and white color of the hairs. In this cross, when appearing of the characters equally, the gene of the allelomorphs which are expressed equally, both alleles express equally, neither one is a dominant over the other, and that will be a same, so that both alleles genes factor express themselves equally in F1 hybrids. Then when the F1 hybrid coat colored cattle are crossed, when taking the F2 generation, when F1 hybrid roan colored, F1 hybrid is a roan colored and is crossed to raising the F2 generation, to obtain the F2 generation, to produce the, in F2 generation, a three colored is the appear. One is the red, second one is the roan and white colored. In the ratio is the 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1. Ratio is the 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1. So this ratio, this phenotypic ratio coincides with the genotypic ratio capital R, capital R, capital R, capital W, capital W, capital W, 1 is to 2 is to 1. This phenotypic ratio is the coincides with a genotypic ratio. Coincide, phenotypic ratio is coincide with the genotypic ratio. That means the in this codominance, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio are the identical one. What means that the identical ones both are the expressed equally in F1 hybrids, then they get separated. Then formation of the reappear the red color of the coat color of the skin of the cattle and the white color of the skin of the cattle are reappear in F2 generation. So in the F2 generation, reappear of this character or the trait, reappear of the character or the traits. So in the observation of the such type of the appear of the character in F1 generation is a roan color, and in taking the selfing of the roan color to raising the F2 generation, there is a formation of the red, again red color. Parental traits are the reappear in the F2 generation, reappear into the F2 generation, that is red color of the coat color of the hair of the cattle is appear, white color of the coat color of the cattle is appear, and also the F1 hybrid color is appear roan color, red, white, roan. This ratio is the 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1. In this way, to observe the cross, phenotypic parental generation taking the red color of the cattle is crossed with the white color of the cattle. Then there is a control the characters, capital R the red color of the cattle and white color of the cattle are the controlled by the capital R. So then in F1 hybrids, there is a mixture of the red and white color. There is a formation of the intermediate characters. Formation of the intermediate character, that is known as the both characters are the appear equally. White color of the skin is appear and then red color of the skin is appear equally. The gene of the allelomorphic expression, the trait in F1 hybrids is equally. So in the taking the selfing of roan colored, selfing to raising the F2 generation, then F2 generation, the four type of the individual, four type of the cattle cows are to seen. One is the red, then two is the roan colored. There is the appearing the equal character, and another one is the white one. One is the white, red is the one, and two is the roan color. The ratio of the this F2 generation is the 1:2, 2:1. In this cross, the genes when appearing in the F2 generation, they get separated. White color of the coat color of the genes are the get separated. You have in F1 hybrids which are the appear, which is the appear, but which is the partially appear. Then in the then to the formation of the then the formation of the F2 raising to F2 generation, then they are separately, independently, assortedly segregated their genes and goes to the formation of the white color. Then also in this way the red color is also gets separated, segregated, and then formation. And roan color, this is a codominance. In the codominance, you have to simply say that there is a gene of allelomorphic expressed equally in F1 individuals or the F1 hybrids, so that in the checkerboard, Punnett checkerboard or Punnett square checkerboards, you have to see about what is the cross or they take place. Then after to raising the individuals or the offspring with the help of the checkerboards, with the help of the Punnett squares, gametes are the set, male gamete and female gamete. Capital R, capital W, capital R, capital W is a male and female gametes. Then capital R is the red color of the coat color of the cattle. Then capital R, capital W is the roan color. Capital R coming from the red color of the coat color of the parents, and the capital W are coming from this white color of the coat color of the cattle, which are the formation of the roan color. Both characters are, both traits are equally expressed. Then capital W, capital R, capital W, capital W, there is a formation of the F2 individual is the one is the red color, two is the roan color, and one is the white color. The ratio is the that is known as the genotypically as well as phenotypically coincides. That means the phenotypic and genotypic ratio is the identical one. So this phenotypic ratio coincide with the genotypic ratio. What means the capital R is the red, then capital R capital W is a roan color of the genes. This is a genotypic constitution of the roan color. Red color which are having the genetic constitutions, genetic makeup is the capital R capital R. White color of the coat of the is controlled by the pair of genes, pair of alleles, that is a genetic makeups of an organisms. So this genetic makeup of an organisms, so this is the very important to that of regards to the explanation to codominance. Thank you so much.